So I think we should look at data. Did you hear that? Those filler words are killing your authority. They make you sound unsure even when you are the expert. Here is the tip. Replace the with a pause. When you lose your train of thought, just stop. Silence for 2 seconds sounds like deep thinking to your audience. Filler words are just sounds like noise. Over 11,000 students have now used my methods to find their confidence, and you can too. Hi, I'm Ogweno Stephen. My communication for everyday success training starts on 21st February. Let's turn those arms into impact. Register at the link today.